Hello guys.
Hello everybody.
Yo, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yo, it's your boy Senior.
It's your Galvi.
It's Melody.
And yo, hold on, before you continue, please hit the like button,
Subscribe,
comment,
and share this beautiful content
to your friends and your family.
And yo guys, guess what are we having today? Yo, we are back at it as always, back at K-pop out here.
Yeah.
And guess who are on the table today? We
Who
are
are they?
having the BTS.
Oh my God.
We're not
Okay.
getting tired of them out here.
Yes.
So the BTS today we are going to watch also their dance practices.
Yeah.
And of their two songs, the first song is
Blood, Sweat and Tears.
and the second song is
Airplane 2.
I know, right? So
Yes.
without wasting time, I know you guys really love these dance practices at the way I do, right?
Yes.
So let's get into them, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, we start with this.
But why Blood, Sweat and Tears though?
Actually,
the name is really
the
catchy.
song, we're going to watch it and you'll understand it. Yo, everything is blood, sweat, and tears. Here it is.
They were so young here.
I know, right? Yo, I fell in love with this song. Hey. It's just crazy how they move together at the same time.
It was really sexy.
I know, right? You can see it.
Wow.
Damn.
What?
Did you see that? Yo.
Wow.
And actually it's effortless, but we can do that.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, the jump.
I know, right?
Oh.
And when they jump,
They're all like.
they all do.
Yes.
I don't know, they have an indirect signal to each other. They're connected in a way. Yo. That's the guy, our guy.
I love how when it's somebody's backs, the way
Yeah.
he comes forward.
And get back into position.
Did you see him?
Yeah, for real. Yo. Yo, look at that.
I don't know the jump.
Yo. Damn. Oh. Hey. Like
The way
they
they
jump is
jump
really
for
good.
real, like it's like they're connected. Like yo, jump. Yo, did you see the outro?
Wow.
Yo, like how they did it, like both at the same
All
time.
all
Yo,
of them.
the
Yes,
synchronization.
exactly.
Yo, I'm telling you, these people are really connected in a
I
way.
know if you want to see the original song.
The original song,
exactly.
we just
we
gonna
will have to watch
I
it.
know, right? We're
Yeah.
going to take a
Oh
look on
my
it. It's a
God.
must to watch this song. It's
Yeah.
really
Did you
one
see
of
the
a kind.
jump?
Yo.
It was like somebody was pulling them all together.
Yeah, for real. At one thing, they come down at once.
Exactly.
Yo,
and the
that,
spins as they jump.
yo, that's why we call the synchronization. It's really
amazing.
sick out
Really
here.
amazing.
I know, right? So, do you guys have anything to hit it up with this? I mean, about this before the next, video practice?
I think we really have to watch the original song. That's all I
We
can
are
say.
going like,
This made
yo,
me want to
For
watch
real,
it.
and actually, you won't regret it. It's really one of a kind.
Also, the name itself.
Yeah, blood, sweat, and tears. Not only the name, the message. You just be inspired, motivated. In a way, everything. You wanted to add something, my dear?
Yes.
Yeah.
I wanted to tell Melody like this Blood, Sweat and Tears. I knew it in 2016, something like that. This was this was their first music to know about BTS. Like
your first music to know them. Wow.
Yeah. So I really loved it so much. I wish you could watch.
We will
It's
watch.
just a dance practice, and actually we are going to watch the official music video.
Sure.
So we are going to the second, dance
Airplane
practice,
2.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Airplane 2, Airplane 2.
I'm really sorry. Okay.
Yeah, it is. And actually, we are getting a sneaky peek about this. This song's out
Is
here.
there a Airplane 1?
Actually,
Maybe. I was like, why are they not coming? I love his jeans. Yeah. With his shoes.
I remember this song.
What? Oh, thank you, man.
Damn, that's Jimin. Hey. They really dripped, eh? They look sharp. Damn!
I can't stop smiling.
They're really pretty. Hey, Emily. Hey. Hey, oh my.
Wow, I remember that style when it came.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Hey. Damn, those all good days. Oh my God. Oh my God. Damn. Woo. Yo. Damn! Now that's in the middle, the one I was speaking about. J-Hope. Yeah.
At this point, I know that J-Hope is a favorite.
Actually, all of them. Oh, because I mentioned J-Hope every time? No, actually it's because I support him every time. I love them all. Damn. That's my boy. If you know, you know.
Wow.
I know, right? Yo, the outro.
2022 first of year.
I know, right? Yo, so guys.
Oh my God. First of someone was like, what is the chair for?
Yo, it's actually for JK, Jungkook, Golden Mark 9. Sit down. Yo.
Did you see what they did with the mics?
Yo.
Oh, such creativity.
The mic game, like the way they were really doing it.
It's just over.
Bigger creativity.
At some point I thought it was falling.
No way.
Somebody else will catch it
No
up.
way.
Wow.
Like, that was really nice. Very impressive to watch.
Very amazing.
Wow. Okay, do you guys still want to talk about these videos again? Or should I close this out?
Well,
seems like you're holding something.
I know, right? Like she gets something on her chest.
This choreography, like the one who caught me the most was Jimin.
Jimin.
Yes. The one who was wearing the leather jacket.
Oh, with the shoes and the jeans.
Jimin,
I was like getting this Texas vibes. Cowboy.
Cowboy.
He just missed the hat. But also, I love how they dress all of them generally for the
in general.
It was really amazing, like how they balance their color. They just don't take it for granted, like it's just practice. Let's just put on anything. It's really amazing. Yes.
It's just nice listening to you guys. Like I was really like, yo, whatever you're speaking, and I was like digesting it, like, and I was like, yo, that's true.
Saw it?
That's true in my mind. Like, yo, do you have anything to add up into this before I speak?
No, I really want to see the original video to this.
Oh, yo, you are going to see every video. We're going to cover every K-pop out here, and actually about this dance practice, yo, they really nailed it in a way. And actually this song, actually I really love the chorus, if I'm not mistaken. If it's the chorus, like, oh Maria, actually I don't know how to sing, but that place in this song, it usually varies me up down in a way.
That's really good.
Yo, and I believe you guys really enjoyed this video at the way we did. And if you did love and enjoy this video, please don't forget to like,
subscribe,
comment,
and share this beautiful content to your friends and your family. And also don't forget to check out on the YouTube channel every day, because we do post our videos
every single day.
And with having said so, we said I'll be back with more videos.